Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Ryan and I are out here today. Dave's gonna be coming a little bit later. So we're gonna be pressure washing the truck today, giving it its first bath. We've had the truck for about like 4 months and we never actually washed it. So it's got just crap caked on there since when it was sitting before we got it. So let's get to washing. While we're out here, the truck's right here, but we actually have a full side kit for a 45 by 96 trailer. We took it off the East trailer that this truck is going to pull because we went with the Conestoga system. It's easier for our drivers, but this is a complete kit. We do have the bulkhead, the bows, the sideboards, and the stakes. So if you guys are interested in it, let us know. We can hook you up with it. It's a really nice tarp, really nice setup, but we just don't have a use for it anymore. The only thing you're probably going to need is a few of the boards, which we might be able to dig out of one of our trailers, but either way you're going to need a few of them because a lot of them were wood, and we do have some of the nice ones down here, which is like that newer style foam board, I guess you could say.
Foam plastic board.
Foam plastic board, whatever they call it. But it is a complete side kit minus a few little odd and end boards that we could hook you up with. We don't have a use for it, so if you guys do, let us know and we could work something out.
So on top of getting our box and pogo put on the back, we also got our carpets fully cleaned by Arcelanian Brothers out of Northeast Ohio. So huge thanks to them. They cleaned the camp carpets and the whole bunk, which looks 1,000 times better. You guys should have seen the black water that came out of this thing. It was disgusting.
While we're giving you a little tour of everything that we got, we may as well show you our 48-inch flat top sleeper. Dave and I were the ones that actually drove all the way up to Finger Lakes, New York in the middle of a snowstorm. And we think it snows bad here in Ohio. Going out 80 all the way out to New York to pick this thing up was a nightmare, but we did it. This is our 48-inch flat top that we have plans to put on the Burgundy 379 that we have. They keep telling me they don't want it on there.
He wants to put this on the Burgundy 379. It's got the 63, which I like personally, but he wants to put the 48 on. I want the truck to go to work to make money. He wants to build a show truck, so.
Well, we got enough work trucks. He figures may as well build one that's nice. This is the Unibuilt, so in that prior video, it's kind of crappy quality, the first one we did. This is a Unibuilt sleeper. The truck that we have is a 90, and it's not. But luckily, the guy that put on our Conestoga unit for our trailer, Unibuilt trucks for us. So the only things that we got to get are the 2 Unibuilt rings. Well, really 1, because this one is already Unibuilt. So 1 for the cab, and then the complete air ride thing for the back. So I know in the back, you can't really see it, but we need those brackets that go on the back of the sleeper, as well as the brackets that bolt to the frame and the airbags. So if you guys know of one or have of one that maybe we could buy off you guys, or hell, we could even work a deal for the side kit, let us know, because eventually I would like to put this bunk on that truck. They don't want it.
All right, so let us know in the comments if you think we should side with Dave and I with keeping the 63 on the 379 or putting the 48 on the 379 like Ryan wants to.
Man. You don't see 48s. I think this would look sweet on there.
So we don't have footage of actually putting the new box that we were talking about the last video and the pogo on, but that's all set in place. This nasty rat trap of wires that were hanging here before is all gone. We got to throw some primer, some frame paint on that. But yeah, this looks great back here now. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap in today's video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed us doing this little wipe down, you know, getting that grime and dirt that's been on this paint over the years finally off and let that white paint on there shine.
We also wanted to tell you, we've got tremendous support on this channel to put the fenders that we bought on here. You guys haven't even seen them yet. In an upcoming video, we got to re-body work some of them, get them looking right, and then obviously paint them. But after our paint job here, I'm not sure that we're going to do it. I got a good buddy that's a painter, and he'll hook us up with a paint job for painting the fenders, the front ones and the rear ones. We still haven't picked a color yet, but I think the fenders are going on this truck. And also, we want to take the time to thank each one of you guys that have subscribed to our channel, liked our videos, watched our stuff. It really means a lot. We kind of had this idea one day of putting these videos up on YouTube. We're always working on this stuff, so we figured, hey, if we like doing it, other people probably would like watching us doing it as well.
So if you guys like what you see here on this channel, hit the like button on this video and please subscribe to see more.